What is up, guys? This is Alec from Blackhouse Vapor Company coming at you with another quick juice review. Let's get started.
Are you listening? Damn.
Okay, so this quick juice review is going to be on Grizwald from Blackhouse Vapor Company. So this is a house blend. This is one that we carry in store and online, so you can find it in both of those places. As you may or may not know, I'm changing up the format of these juice review videos just a tiny bit to make them more concise, a little bit shorter, and to allow you to get the most information in the least amount of time. Grizwald. This is going to be a candy cane flavor. 'Tis the season for a candy cane flavor. I've never actually tried another candy cane flavor before, but when we were talking about bringing this on, I got super excited, and now that it's here, I'm even more excited. This candy cane flavor is spot on candy cane. Now, I was expecting something that was maybe going to be a little bit more minty than a candy cane would taste in real life, or a little bit menthol-y. I was thinking about how they were going to replicate that candy cane aftertaste where it kind of coats your mouth with that nice mintiness. They did a fantastic job on it with this flavor. It's not overly minty, it's not menthol-y, but it definitely leaves that candy cane coating sensation in your mouth after you're done vaping it. Big props. Blackhouse is doing a great job at finding these flavors that are interesting, not typical, and then making them great. So I definitely recommend Grizwald as one of those shake it up, different flavors, off-brand, not your usual, and I mean it's a peppermint season, so get started. Let's try it out. In terms of temperature, I would say that it's kind of a medium temperature vape. So if you're working with a sub-ohm coil, 0.1, 0.15 ohms, you're probably looking in that like 60 to 85 watt range. If you're working in temperature control, you're probably in that like 300, 400. You're gonna find a sweet spot somewhere in there. I wouldn't go too hot with it, and it's definitely not a great cool flavor just because it is that kind of strong minty candy flavor. Those tend to be really underwhelming if you vape them at a cooler temperature, so keep that in mind. This is a great dessert flavor. This is a great seasonal flavor. In terms of an all-day vape, if you're into peppermint, if you're into mint, anything like that, I definitely recommend you give it a try. I have not gotten sick of it vaping, just daily, but I like these flavors. So if that works for you, definitely give it a go. I would consider it kind of an all-day vape, but maybe for a specific niche crowd. Not sure. Let me know what you think. Give it a go. You can find it, like I said, in store here at Blackhouse Vapor Company, 2148 South 900 East Suite 3, or you can go online to blackhousevapor.com and you can check it out on our website. This video will be down below the product, so if you're watching it there, awesome. Maybe give it a go. We've got it in 0, 3, and 6 in 60 ml bottles. This has been another quick juice review with Alec from Blackhouse Vapor. I hope you all have a fantastic day. We'll see you next time.
Are you listening?